Come test drive the 2019 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, CD player, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear wiper, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.